Nextcloud and Owncloud, two open source giants in the self-hosted cloud space. They look similar, but which one should you trust with your files? Let's break it down. Here's the twist. They started as the same project. Actually, Owncloud came first. Then its founder left and launched Nextcloud as a fork. Since then, they've taken very different paths. Both offer file sync, sharing, version control, and user management, but Nextcloud has evolved way faster, adding video calls, mail calendars, and even collaborative docs through apps like Collabora and Talk. Owncloud has stayed more focused, cleaner, but less ambitious. It's more about enterprise stability than being an all-in-one cloud suite. Nextcloud has the edge in community momentum. Frequent updates, active forums, more plugins. Owncloud leans more corporate now, with its newer versions even using a proprietary backend, Owncloud Infinite Scale, which is Go-based and faster, but not fully open source. Owncloud's Infinite Scale is lighter and faster on large installs, but fewer apps support it right now. Nextcloud might need more server resources, but it's battle-tested across many use cases, from personal clouds to governments. So pick Nextcloud if you want versatility, apps, and an active open source ecosystem, and go with Owncloud if you want speed, simplicity, or if you're deploying at scale with enterprise priorities. If you want a deep dive or a live setup comparison, let me know. And if you're running either one in production, I'd love to hear how it's holding up, and I'll catch you in the next one.